All right, we're given a line here, and we're asked two separate questions. What's the slope and what's the y-intercept? Let's talk about the slope first. Slope is the change in the x value change in the y value over change in the x value. We shorten that statement by saying it's the rise over the run. And what we do to find that on this graph is just identify 2 points. So here's a nice point right here. That point, by the way, is 0, -4. It's 0 for the x value, -4 for the y value. And then there's another point right up here, and that's at 6, 4. All right, what we need to do is identify the rise and the run, or the horizontal change and the vertical change. And we'll highlight it like this. So first, I'm going to go from 0 to 6 here on the x-axis. So right here, this is the run. It's important to note that these units we're doing are by 2s. So this is a run of 6. And that's the denominator value. The numerator value is the rise, or how high you have to go from point to point, how much vertical change there is. And to go from a -4 up here to a +4, that would be a rise of 8. Again, from the -4 to the +4 right there. What you can do, by the way, is you don't have to visualize it. You could just actually calculate the changes here, and that would look like this. So the rise would be the difference between 4 and -4, and so you would take 4 minus -4 on the rise, and then the run would be the 6 minus the 0. So 6 minus 0, and that would be 4 minus -4 is 8, and 6 minus 0 obviously is 6. The last step is we've got to reduce our fractions, and so this answer would reduce down to divide everything by 2. We get 4/3 would be the slope. The y-intercept is very straightforward. The y-intercept is just this point right here where the line crosses the y-axis, and so the y-intercept in this case would be the point 0, -4. So that takes care of the first two parts of this question. The last is to write this in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, by the way, is this beautiful thing right here, y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope value. So in this case, 4/3 is our slope. So 4/3 x. And then our b value is this y-intercept value of -4, so we just say -4 right here. So this is the equation of that line above. Again, the slope times x, and then the y-intercept is that b value.